Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. And previously nag-unbox tayo ng Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. If you haven't watched that video, you can check the link sa description box and you can also check the link here. Alright, so in today's video guys, pag-uusapan naman natin yung ways on how to activate your free 10GB data kasama ng inyong Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. Okay, so if nanood ka ng video ko last time or yung sa Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi unboxing, pinakita ko sa inyo on how to activate it via Globe at Home app. But right now, uunahin kong i-discuss sa inyo or ipapakita sa inyo on how to activate it via Facebook Messenger, okay? If you have your Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi kit with you, check it. Meron doon yung user guide, nandoon yung instructions on how to activate it via Facebook Messenger. Pero ipapakita ko pa rin sa inyo, okay? So let's go! Alright, so first thing to do guys is of course open your Facebook Messenger app and then search for Globe at Home. Yan, and then click Get Started. Yan, so i-welcome ka niya and makikita mo dito na pagpipilian ka niya kung ano ang service na kailangan mo. And right now we need prepaid Wi-Fi. So manage prepaid Wi-Fi. And then next guys is, yan, so makikita mo na dyan yung activate 10GB and then other services na pwede mong gawin dito sa kanilang messenger or chat service. And then, so click natin yung activate 10GB. And then here, piliin nyo lang yung home prepaid Wi-Fi. Pero pag ang gamit mo is yung extreme, then select mo yung extreme. So, this is my modem. Yan. So, sabi niya, make sure you're connected to your home prepaid Wi-Fi modem. So, i-connect natin siya sa Wi-Fi modem. And then, enter your 11-digit Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. So, yung number guys, meron siya dito sa likod mismo ng inyong Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. And meron din siya sa SIM card na, or sa SIM case ng inyong SIM card. Okay? Yan. So, enter lang natin. Yan. And then, double check nyo lang yung number and then confirm. So, click yes. Yan. So, processing your request. Okay. So, nakita nyo sa screen, guys. Sorry, your, sabi niya, ay, nakuha ko na yung 10GB free. Yes. Kasi inactivate ko siya via yung Globe at Home app. And then, so ganito yung steps on how to do it. Madali lang siya guys. And again, nandun siya sa user guide nyo. If kukuha kayo ng reference, kunin nyo lang yung user guide nyo guys. And then, pwede nyo na naman sundin yung ginawa ko kanina. No problem. Alright, so yung next step, sabi ko nga is yung Globe at Home app. So first is install nyo muna yung Globe at Home app. And then, from there, let's go. So, try ulit natin mag-connect guys. Yan. So, connected na tayo. Tayo sa Globe at Home. Click Get Started. Then, enter ulit natin yung number. Then, choose yung modem, kung ano itsura ng modem mo. So, ito. And, nakakonect na tayo sa Wi-Fi. So, click I'm already connected. Okay, so ayaw niya mag-connect guys. So, ang gagawin natin, pwede niyo siyang i-try and try again. Pero ngayon, ito try natin siyang mag-manual verify your account. So, click manual verify your account. And then, itatry natin i-access yung dashboard. Kasi sabi niya dito, please enter the 4-digit verification code sent to your SMS tab of your modem dashboard. Ito yung sinasabi nila guys na at first, parang mahirap mag-connect sa using yung Globe at Home app. So, yung iba kasi sabi nila meron ding 5 to 10 times bago nila na-verify yung connection. So, nakita nyo kanina, diba? Sabi niya failed. So, i-try again natin. Yan. So, ayaw nyo talaga. Try natin ng manual verify your account. Alright guys, since nag-failed tayo kanina para ma-activate yung 10 GB, itatry natin yung suggestion niya na using the dashboard. Okay? So, pag i-access natin yung dashboard guys, nandito lang siya sa baba. Okay? Nandito yung IP address, user name, tsaka yung password. So, let's go. Try natin. So, open ko lang yung browser ko. So, open kayo ng browser. Nakalagay dito na IP is 192.168.254.254. And so, try natin mag-connect. And then, yung username is user at saka yung password, nandyan siya sa modem nyo. Okay? Yan. So, makikita nyo sa aking screen recording, guys. Ayan siya. So, login tayo dito sa taas. Okay. Click login. Yan na. So, username, tsaka password. Again, yung user niya is user. Small letters. And yung password is kung anong password nyo. Type ko lang. And then, login tayo guys. Yan. So, nakalagin tayo. Yay. Okay. So, yan. So, may nakita tayong ano dito, yung text message kanina. Diba nakita nyo? Yung ano, sabi niya magsisend siya ng code doon. Andito na yung verification code natin, guys. So, click natin yan. And yung code ay 2689. Yan. So, ayan, meron na. So, na-verify na yung account natin. Again, secure the app. So, ilagay tayo ng PIN. Yung PIN na pinang register or yung MPIN nyo, parang ganun. So, re-enter lang natin. Again, sa mga ganitong PIN, guys, mas maganda na yung lagi nyong ginagamit na mga PINs para hindi, kasi mahirap mag-reset ng mga ganito, guys. Alright? So, advice ko na lang is yung mga natatandaan nating mga PIN, birthdays, mga ganun. Yan. So, lagyan natin yung name natin. Yan. So, meron siyang quick tutorial. Pwede nyong i-scan yan or basahin. Yan. Okay. So, yan. So, na-verify na yung account natin. Ngayon, nakikita mo dito, activate your free 10 GB. Yan. So, parang may poster dyan. Okay. So, sabi niya, activate now. Pliin lang natin, guys. So, click activate now. Ayan. Your free 10 GB data is now being processed. And then, alright. So, ganoon lang kadali, guys, on how to activate your free 10 GB from Globe at Home Prepaid Wifi. So, shout out nga pala, guys, sa dalawang to. Hi, thank you. And then, please stay tuned to my channel for other Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi tutorials, how-tos and tutorials. Thank you for watching, guys. Hanggang dito muna tong video na to. Thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye-bye! Again, if you haven't watched my Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi unboxing 2020, Meron doon kasama siya yung setup and initial speed test, guys. So please check out my previous or last video. Here na lang. Yan. Thank you so much, guys.